What is up? What is good? What is going on, knuckleheads and wet shave fans? Today I have a quick unboxing of a soap from Jefferson City, Tennessee. Really cool little company making they have all different types of soaps, but they have tallow shaving soap, which I believe this is, and they have vegan shaving soap as well, which is stuff I'm interested in on their site. Talking to them, they decided to send me a soap for review, so I'm really excited to try this out. So I said I will do an unboxing video, give my initial impressions of this scent. I was going to have it shaved like right now, but the mailbox, saw the post office guy drop something off in the mailbox, so I ran out and got it and said, let's do a quick opening here. So we're going to open it up here. Now, they have a few different scents, some really unique sounding scents. They have like cedar and saffron. They have like a spicy citrus kind of one. One that I see a lot of in Shave the Days is one called Smokeberry. That one looks really good. Bunch of different ones. So I'm not sure which one they sent me. I think I know which one I decided on that I liked, but I'm not sure. First off, we got some stickers, a little postcard here, Lakewood Soap Company, simple ingredients, exceptional soap. On the back says, hope you enjoy the soap, looking forward to seeing your review, Linda. So thank you, Linda, excellent. Also got a business card there, so there we go. Let's open up and see what we got. Oh, it is the one that I wanted. It is the one, and this is Prairie Song. I'm not sure if I've seen this one on a Shave the Days, but it sounds amazing. Let's give her a sniff and see if I can figure out what's going on there. Oh. It's green, but it's got some like darkness to it too, which is kind of... Oh, that's really nice. There's definitely some green notes. There's some vetiver in there, and there's some leather for sure. Oh, tobacco. That's the note I'm smelling, is tobacco. I'm not sure. Really nice. Wow, I like that scent. It's a bit subtle. It's not overpowering, that's for sure. I'd say it's about a 4 out of 10% strength. It's a soft-ish soap. Actually somewhat hard, but nothing easily lather this stuff up there. Yeah, I really like that scent. It almost smells similar a bit, but not a bit toned down version of First Canadian Shave Soap Kink is what I'm smelling from, which makes sense with the tobacco and the whiskey and the leather. Yeah, really, really excellent scent on that. Like I said, not the super strongest, but definitely not like weak. You can definitely get a nice waft. As soon as I took the lid off, I could smell it. Really excited to try this out. It's got tallow. They say simple ingredients, and like on the back there's just, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients, which is not that many. Tallow, water, shea butter, stearic acid, potassium hydroxide, castor oil, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, that's what it is, and fragrance. So very cool. Love these tubs. Big mouth tubs are the way to go for new artisans starting out. I know they're probably a little bit more expensive, but man, they are far superior. Excellent. Cannot wait to try this. Can't stop smelling my hand now. Really, really nice. Keep a look on my Instagram there, because I will definitely be doing a first impression of this soap, which is Lakewood Soap Company, Prairie Song. Awesome stuff. Have a great day, everybody. I'm really looking forward to trying this stuff out. I will post it later. Like I said, stay clean shaven. Have a great day. Peace. And thank you, Lakewood. Cheers.